मेनोरेजिया। सब जो फर्स्ट मेडिसिन है आयोडम। मेनोरेजिया ड्यू टू एंडोक्राइनल डिसफंक्शन इज वेल treated by this remedy, especially of the thyroid gland. The synthesis of thyroxine is hampered in these patients. Menstruation is irregular. Generally, it is uterine hemorrhage, menorrhagia with enlarged and indurated uterus. Iodine may be thought of when hemorrhage is due to pathological condition of uterus. There is acute catarrh of endometrium, great weakness during menses, wedge-like pain in right ovarian region, hemorrhage occurring at every stool with cutting pain in the abdomen, pain in the loins and small of back. Patient shows signs of rapid metabolism, loss of flesh with great appetite. Majority of glands of the body are hypertrophied, hard and nodular. Patient is emaciated, hot patient, better by cold. Patient wants to move all the time as the symptoms are relieved when she is busy. Patient is always hungry and wants to eat all the time, but also has indigestion with diarrhea. Assimilation is poor and is very low. Liver and spleen are enlarged. Incontinence of urine, cough with difficulty in breathing. Catarrhal condition of the nose, watery discharge with sneezing. Patient is weak-minded and forgetful, impulsive insanity, sadness with melancholic mood, excitable restlessness and very anxious. Patient has the impulse of doing something in a hurry. मोडैलिटीज़ है वर्स फील होता है वार्मथ इन जनरल और एक्सर्शन से, बेटर फील होता है ईटिंग, कोल्ड इन जनरल बाय वॉकिंग और बाय मूवमेंट। जो नेक्स्ट मेडिसिन है वो है फॉस्फोरस। पेल्विक इन्फ्लामेटरी डिजीज सच एज क्रोनिक सेल्फ एंजियोफ्राइटिस, chronic endometritis, usually tubercular in origin, or malignancy of genital urinary tract is well treated by this remedy. Dysfunctional uterine hemorrhage is an important cause of menorrhagia. Polycystic ovarian disease may be seen developed if the patient has psychotic as a predominant miasm. Menses too early and scanty but lasts too long. Stitching pains, bleeding is copious, dark red and non-coagulable. Menorrhagia in nursing women, burning and stitching pain in the region of uterus. Ovaries are inflamed and painful at the time of menses. These pains are radiating down the inner side of the thighs. Fibroid of the uterus are common. Menorrhagia due to uterine polypi. There is numbness, trembling and paralytic weakness of the extremities. Major joints of the body are inflamed and stiff, stitching pain in the breast during menses. Laryngitis with hoarseness of voice, bronchitis with bloody expectoration, sharp unstitching pain in chest with hemoptysis. Left side of the chest is usually affected. Hemorrhoids with burning pain. Morning diarrhea, stools are profuse, watery and involuntarily poured with a sensation as if anus is wide open. Mentally, patient is excitable and has violent imaginations which prevent the sleep. Patient is hypersensitive to external impression, great debility and prostration, weak memory, anxiety, irritability and fear mark the remedy. Stupor, dizziness, sluggishness and delirium condition of the patient, brain fog from mental exertion. Modalities: aggravatory condition, evening में on the left side, cold in general. Evening on the left side, cold in general और better feel होता है warmth in general, lying on right side. Next is Sabina. It is a great anti-hemorrhagic remedy. Sabina acts upon the mucous membrane of the uterus and also upon the serous and fibrous membranes. Pains fly from sacrum to pubis. Hemorrhage is profuse at the times of menses. They are long-lasting, partially fluid and partially clotted, offensive in nature. Blood comes in gushes. Intense colicky pain in abdomen at times of menses. These pains are associated with bearing down or labor-like pains. Pains travels from vagina to uterus. Discharges of blood between period with sexual excitement. Inflammation of the tubes, ovaries and uterus. Uterine fibroids are usually the cause of menorrhagia at the climacteric age. Profuse leukorrhea and the discharge is bloody. Sabina patient has hemorrhagic tendency and bleeds from all the mucous membrane. Pulsation all over the body with sense of fullness, shooting type of pains from sacrum to pubes. Sense of fullness in the rectum with bleeding, hemorrhoids and blood is bright red. Warts around the anus pus like gonorrhea discharge from uterus. Urethra is inflamed. Patient is nervous, sad and depressed. Music makes her nervous. Also, music is intolerable for her. Modalities aggravate warmth in general, warm room, hot food, warmth applications. Better feel होता है कोल्ड ओपन ईयर से, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स और कोल्ड एप्लीकेशन से. सिमिसिफ्यूगा. Menorrhagia due to prolapse of uterus. Menses are profuse and too early, sometimes twice a month. Blood is dark, coagulated. There is bearing down and pressing pain in the uterine region. The pain traverses from hip to hip. Severe pains in lower extremities, backache after menstruation with heavy pressing down sensation. If the menses are suppressed, they are scanty or copious with severe pain during the flow. All the symptoms, either physical or mental, are worse during menses. Discharges are offensive, spasm and cramps in the muscle of back. Shooting and throbbing pain in head as a reflex of uterine bleeding. Nausea and vomiting caused by pressure on the spine. Ovarian neuralgia is well treated by this remedy. Pains across the pelvis, rheumatic pains in joints, sleeplessness. Patient is depressed, visions of red mice running across the room, delirium, hysterical and epileptic spasm. The mental symptoms are intermingled and rheumatism. Mental symptoms are worse during menses. Savina patient is so much depressed that she cries when questioned. Sensation as if some weight is laid on her head. Almost all the symptoms are due to fear and she is worse during menstrual flow. Modalities aggravate होता है during menses in cold season और cold drink से. Better feel होता है warmth in general after menstrual flow. Next medicine है creosote. Endometrial polyps or the abnormal growth of the uterine cavity is the fundamental cause of menorrhagia. Burning and soreness in external and internal parts. Menses are too early, prolonged and the flow is back and offensive. The discharges excoriate the thighs. Leukorrhea before menses, which is yellow, acrid, excoriating and offensive. Bleeding from uterine cavity is continuous in nature and the flow increases on exertion. Patient complains of pain in abdomen, especially before the menstruation, burning and scratching sensation at vulvar region and medial side of thighs. Sudden desire for urination. Patient is not in position to hold the urine and she has to hurry for urination. Fullness and burning pain in the stomach. Nausea ends in vomiting. This drug can be used for the palliation of malignancy of genital organs. All symptoms worse at the time of menses is the keynote symptom of this drug. All the mucous membrane of the body are raw and inflamed with bleeding and ulceration. All the discharges of the body are offensive. Patient is very irritable during menses. Patient desires many things but is not satisfied with those when she gets them. Always unsatisfied. Music makes her weep. Modalities aggravate होता है cold in general, cold air after washing of the parts. Better feel होता है warmth in general, rest in bed. Belladonna. Menses in cases of belladonna are increased and premature. Along with the menorrhagia, she complains of menstruodynia. The menses are profuse and bright red in color due to excess of blood. These are cutting pains from hip to hip. Blood is very dark and offensive and feels hot with dark clot. Strong wearing down pains. She feels as if everything would scrape from the vagina. Belladonna patient is very chilly and easily affected by drought of air. She has violent congestion in her body. She feels very hot in every part. Redness, heat and burning are the red strands for this remedy. She becomes hypersensitive during ailment. She is drowsy or sleepy but cannot sleep due to the intolerable pains associated with each symptom. There is great dryness everywhere. She does not like to drink water. Mentally, she has marked violence due to turmoil in her brain from congestion. She tears the cloth, bites and strikes everybody. Delirium, unconsciousness, illusion, delusion and hallucination. Her face is shiny red and very hot. Pupils are dilated, throbbing of each and every vessel during the flow. Modalities aggravation होता है drought of air, heat of sun, moving out, bending and lying down. Better feel होता है sitting in erect position. नेक्स्ट मेडिसिन है प्लेटिना। मेंसेस इन केस ऑफ प्लेटिना लेडी आर मच ईजियर। ये क्या है? टू प्रोफ्यूज बट their duration may be short or long. The blood is very dark and clotted. Spasmodic pains come and go gradually. Severe bearing down with numbness of pelvic organs. She feel very chilly. Flow may appear every 14th day. She has tingling sensation in the part. After menses there is profuse leukorrhea. Platina is known for hyperesthesia leading to vaginism and nymphomania. The parts are sensitive to touch and go into spasm on touch. Colicky pains in abdomen, paralytic weakness with chilliness and numbness in the parts. Headache with sense of constriction in the scalp, constipated even with soft stool. She is very hot patient. She cannot complete the coition due to vaginism. Mentally, she has her own peculiar symptoms. She is hysterical, sanguine, and proud. Superiority complex, treats others as minor personalities. She has increased sexual appetite, anxiety, talks very little, and has great fear of death. Modalities: aggravate by rest on excitement while sitting and standing, better by moving in open air. Other important remedies for menorrhagia are Restrox, Sicklecor, Cinnamonium, Arsenicum album, and Nux vomica.